Yo, what up? It's your boy, Unicorn Rider for Traphaus. I'm out here with Pat from the California Shine. We're about to take care of that truck right there. So we're gonna wash it up, we're gonna clean it. All right, so we're back. We finished the exterior of the car and I'm gonna show you that right now. But first, we're gonna get this ready for Pat. He's already started on the interior of the Silverado. So let's go check out what he's doing right now before we set this mighty 8070 up. All right, so check it out. The exterior is done. We're still working to get the interior clean. So we did water spot removal. We did clay, iron remover, water spot remover, and then we did a hand wax on this car. And right now we're gonna go check out Pat and see what he's doing right now. And check it out, he's already working on that door panel. What's up, Pat? How you doing? So he's already working on that door panel. So he's gonna do the whole interior. Well, we're together. We're gonna do by myself. We're gonna do the whole interior. So we're already starting to clean this thing up. So I gotta get to work, or else Pat's gonna get extremely frustrated because I'm always recording. Anyways, we gotta go. Yo, what up? It's your boy Unicorn Rider for Traphaus Detail. I'm here with Pat from the California Shine. We just finished working on this Silverado. Silverado looks real nice. Today we did a full decontamination. We did water spot removal. We did clay. We did iron fallout remover, and then we put some wax on it. What wax did we use?
PNS Ultra Coat Paint Sealant.
PNS Ultra Coat Paint Sealant. It's sun friendly, and man, this truck looks super good. Looks super nice. And the client's gonna enjoy it for the weekend or whatever. And that's it. So you know what it is, Traphaus Detail, the California Shine.
Will knock your shit.
Oh, I'm blushing.